I'm going to go through the homework and hit a few highlights of stuff that people have been asking me questions about. Make sure that you have an idea of what's going on. The first four problems you're supposed to sketch the function and talk about the domain. And so mainly with the most important part of sketching logs is understanding the domain starts at x is greater than 0. It's whatever is inside the parentheses has to be greater than 0. So basically all the parentheses do is just tell you where the vertical asymptote is. So the domain here would be x is greater than 0. Domain here would also be x is greater than 0. For this one, x minus 1 would be greater than 0, so x is greater than 1. And that's because it's shifted 1 to the right. And then this would be x is greater than negative 2. It's shifted 2 to the left. So from there, I wouldn't worry about the sketching too much. 3 ln x just gets you a little bit steeper. It still goes through the point 0, 1. Kind of gets a little steeper before it levels out. Ln of 2x, you could break this up into ln 2 plus ln x, which means it's the graph of ln x shifted up natural log of 2, which makes the intercept move. So this graph goes through the point 1, 0. Well, this graph, whatever makes this equal to 1 is your intercept because the natural log of 1 is 0. So it's going to actually go through 1/2. I made the graph a little small. But so it's actually going to come through here, but still have the same vertical asymptote. X minus 1 is shifted 1 to the right, which means you're going to be going off the... So everything moves with. So the asymptote moves with. And this is shifted to the left, so the asymptote moves to the left. And everything else will be the same. If you ever want to find the x-intercept, you set that equal to 1. So at negative 1 would have been our x-intercept. And you can always graph on your calculator. Sometimes that's helpful, sometimes it's not, depending on the function.